Today's crypto markets are lit up like a Christmas tree. Bitcoin is eyeing $104,000. Dogecoin is barking again with a 10% surge, and Ethereum just dropped its biggest upgrade in months. But what's really fueling this rally? And is it sustainable? Let's dive into the key developments you need to know. Let's start with the headline everyone's talking about. Bitcoin is back, and it's bold. Early Saturday in Asian trading hours, BTC surged past $100,000 and came within inches of $104,000, its highest level in over 2 months. That's a huge psychological milestone, and more importantly, a sign that the bulls may be waking up from their slumber. But that's not all. Dogecoin, yes, good old meme coin Doge, led the pack with a stunning 10% gain, reclaiming headlines and showing that retail investors are paying attention again. Ethereum followed with a solid 3.5% rise today, capping off a massive 30% rally this week alone. So what's really behind this sudden surge? It's a perfect storm of macroeconomic optimism, political tailwinds, and technical upgrades. First, the macro picture. President Trump made bullish remarks about U.S.-China trade talks, easing fears of further escalation and signaling smoother economic relations. That helped push both equities and crypto upward, as traders shifted into a risk-on mindset, meaning more willingness to invest in assets like Bitcoin. Meanwhile, the U.S. is showing signs of a pro-crypto political shift. New Hampshire and Arizona passed bills this week proposing state-level Bitcoin reserves. Yeah, you heard that right. Bitcoin in the state treasury. That's a big deal. And with elections approaching, more politicians are aligning with crypto voters. And then we have Ethereum. The long-awaited Pectra upgrade went live, introducing major efficiency and scalability improvements. Analysts say this could attract even more institutional interest, especially as Ethereum continues trading well below its all-time high. In fact, some experts believe this could be the start of Ethereum's next breakout moment. Jeff May from BTSE called it a reform Ethereum desperately needs to maintain its lead, and he's not wrong. With Ethereum ETFs around the corner and increased institutional allocation, this network upgrade couldn't have come at a better time. But it's not just BTC and ETH. Altcoins across the board are riding this wave. Solana, Cardano, XRP, and BNB are all up between 2% and 6%. That marks a decisive break from the slow grind and sideways action we saw throughout March and April. According to Nick Ruck at LVRG Research, investors are finally shifting their perspective. Altcoins have broken free from their negative trend, and fresh buying pressure is suggesting that traders are once again seeing crypto as a hedge against broader market uncertainty. Now, before we get too bullish, it's worth noting, all eyes are on this weekend's U.S.-China trade talks in Switzerland. A strong outcome could supercharge the rally. But if negotiations stall or tensions rise again, we could see a quick reversal. So, this is a time to stay sharp, not complacent. Watch how Bitcoin handles the $104,000 resistance and keep an eye on trade talk headlines. These next 48 hours are going to be critical. Bottom line, crypto is showing serious signs of life. And if this momentum holds, we could be looking at the early stages of a major move. But remember, markets move fast, and sentiment can flip just as quickly. If you found this update helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a daily pulse of crypto news. This is CryptoPulse Daily, keeping you one step ahead in the fast-moving world of crypto. See you in the next update.